Good job, Owen. Go get it and hit it again. Go get it, hit it. No, you don't have to ride that far. Go hit it and get it again. Run down there. Hurry up, I've got you. I want to film you. Come hit it. Hurry, you gotta hustle. I'll get the cart in a second. Nice haircut. Ah, you're silly. Come on now.
Is this a lemon?
I want to see your best golf swing.
Is this a lemon?
No. I don't know what that is.
Can you play in
Yep, throw it to me.
Secret treasures are?
Secret treasures, okay. Show me a good golf swing. We're going that way. Yep, you got it. Take a practice swing. Good job. Good job. Hit that. Swing that against the ball now. Okay, give me another one. Nice! That was awesome. Does that make you happy?
Yeah.
Okay.